Experiencing display problems after updating to Windows 11? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps to resolve common display issues. Right-click on the Windows button, then click on Device Manager. Right-click on your display adapters, then click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. This should help solve the problem if this didn't do the trick. Let's proceed to the next solution. Right-click on the desktop and open Display Settings. Make sure that your screen resolution is set on recommended settings. Change if needed and look for a resolution. Right-click on your Windows button. Select Device Manager from the list of options. Now in here, expand Display Adapters. Right-click on the problematic device and select the uninstalled device. If this attempt didn't resolve the issue, let's move on to the next solution. Click on the Windows button, then click on Settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Click on Update History. Scroll down, then click on Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. If so, hit subscribe.